then I hop on in. Got to the spot, I told her pop the trunk, let me pour me a big cup of gin. Woo! Took 2 steps, and I look around. I told him, let the party begin. I got my liquor in my cup and my dancing moves, so I'm about to get loose. Yeah, at the swell. I got my liquor in my cup and my dancing moves, so I'm about to get loose. Yeah, at this swell ride. Listen, it was getting kinda late in the evening. We was having a good time, partying at the trail ride. Ladies had on days they do, line dancing, what they do. Sexy cougar riding horseback, so bad I had to look back. I had to have a couple of drinks with the fellas, get it off my mind. It was driving me crazy. Barbecue and electric slide, big old booties from side to side. Watch my people party at the trail ride. I got my liquor in my cup, yeah, and my dancing moves on. I'm about to get loose.
Hey, down at the
Trail ride.
Big Sambo.
Liquor in my cup.
Name of the song is called Trail Ride. Let's go.
I'm about to
Hey,
get loose.
down at that
Trail ride. I got my liquor in my cup, my dancing moves on. I'm about to get loose. I'm about to get loose. Yeah. Trail ride. I got my liquor in my cup and my dancing moves on. I'm about to get loose. Hold on, let me talk to y'all. I got my dancing boots on. I got my liquor in my cup. I got my dancing boots on. I got my liquor in my cup. I got my dancing boots on. I got my liquor in my cup. I'm about to get loose at the trail ride. Come on, party with me. Liquor in my cup. My dancing boots on. Yeah. Trail ride. Trail ride. Liquor in my cup. My dancing boots on. I'm about to get loose. 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 Boots on. Oh yeah. I got my liquor in my cup and my dancing boots.
That's right, this New Music Monday. We dropping new and exclusives today, y'all. Let's go. The artist is Chris Legacy. Name of the song is called Less Than a Woman.